Good morning. We are at the Brightline Fort Lauderdale station. So they do have a water station, and then they have clubs. I am taking the smart option, not the premium option for the train. We just got off the ship. We're on a celebrity reflection cruise ship, and we went to the Caribbean and the Bahamas. First one was Bimini, and then the second one was, we are at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. It looks like the shape of the train. We're on the train. We made it. So earlier when I was looking at the trains, I was noticing it said Smart 9 through 17, and then it said Premium 1 through 9. So it will let you know whether or not it's for premium seats. Car, if it says that on near the door, then that means it's only for premium. And then if it says Smart 9 through 17, then that means it's for those who don't have a reserved seating. We are able to get a table. It can seat up to 4 people, and it has plugs for you to plug in. And then right here, this is really loud. Ooh, but it's just like an extra extension to the table. But these are so cute. Okay, take it out. I have the ciabatta and the peanut M&Ms. Here is the menu. That's mine. There's mine. It's exactly what you would expect from a caprese salad. I would definitely with the peanut M&Ms. It's so good.
The restaurant's right there. It's just occupied right now.
Okay. Oh, you just hit the button and it closes the door. Oh, the light turns on. Wave hand over sensor to flash. Oh, okay. We're approaching MCO. We arrived. We're at MCO Brightline, and then we're just gonna walk over to where the Mears connect, and then that's the next form of transportation. The train ride, by the way, so comfortable. Practically slept halfway, and the bathrooms, unique. I mean, you have to they said wait, but the best thing I found was to just put my palm over it, and then it first, this is not interesting stuff, but anyway. So we are on our way. First we're gonna go to Disney Springs, and then later on the week we're gonna go to all of the other Walt Disney World parks. But yeah, come along. We just came to those turnstiles, and then here's baggage check, baggage claim, and then this is the airport. This is MCO. Terminal B, level 1. Wait. I think you have to take that train. This is not the airport.
No, so it says Terminal B. Go down.
I'm hoping this is the right way. It's actually Terminal C, according to the app and an airport worker. But we're not there yet, so... if this is the wrong spot, then this is a long walk, but let's find out. Okay, so that was fun. I called Mears and they didn't know where to locate the desk, which I'm not sure why that is a thing. But so when you come, it's a journey. It's on the ground floor of Terminal C. When you come from Brightline, you have to go to the elevators and then all the way down to level 1. And then when you get out of the elevators, there's a TV that says Mears Connect. It's where the bus terminal is, but there's no signs. Literally, no signs. Like, you have no idea. There's one sign when you get off Brightline that says Mears Connect, and then there's no other signs in between there and here, which that shouldn't be the case. So I hope you have a better time. I hope by the time that you are able to travel that there's signs so you don't get as lost as I was. Let's get some fun in. And we're in! Welcome back to another room tour. Can you guess where we are? If I haven't already showed you? Pop Century! Yes! So, let's get this room tour started. We have Hey Disney. Hey Disney, start the magic. Hey Disney. Okay, I guess Hey Disney is not working right now. We have USB plugs and we have an outlet, and then the other outlet is for Hey Disney. A Murphy bed. Let me see, how far can I take this down? There it is. Pluto snoozing away. There's the table. Then we have coffee station, very important, and a refrigerator. Let's see what's the temperature in here? They may have just started it, but it's lukewarm to cool. More charging area. Welcome Gardea family. Then we have for 3 days. Monday, we're here on Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Monday, is it more than 3 days? 4 days total, but 3-day park days. And then the Mickey would love more. Oh my goodness. Yes. There we go. Wall hooks. The last time we were here, it was during Festival of Holidays. 2019? And I was stuffing all of the cookies right next to the bathroom. Is that bad? Do you do that? And here, iron and dryer, hair dryer. Sometimes you get steamers in rooms. Extra toilet paper, Kleenex. Oh no, there's one in there. Magnifying mirror with a light. Let's see what this flush is like. Ooh, that's a mighty flush. I don't know if these are H2O products still. It doesn't say H2O. But you have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And let's see the pressure on this one. Okay, it's like a rainfall, like a heavy rainfall. I don't know what my new favorite thing is finding out if it's hot or not. And this is, I wish it was hotter, because then, it always gets cooler, right? As long as you use it. Oh wait, it's getting hotter. Okay, yes! I love showers. They're so therapeutic. And then can't forget this for your wet clothes for the pool days. That's the end of the tour. A Zootopia! I've never seen Zootopia bus. We just got off the bus and now we're going onto the monorail. So today we've taken a ship, a Lyft, then we went to Brightline and took another train, and then we went to Mears Connect on a bus, and then we went to another bus at Pop Century, and now we're taking a monorail. Yeah. Let's go. The hidden Mickey with the stickers. just like the flavor of the Ohana noodles. I didn't realize how sweet they are. I actually don't like it. It's too sweet for noodles that I like. I don't mind teriyaki flavored. Yeah, I don't like my noodles that sweet. So that's a miss for me, which is shocking. The jerk chicken was a surprise hit for me. I wish it would have ate faster because I like the flavor of the shrimp. This was a miss for me. The hummus was too grainy, and I felt like it was lacking like a lemon tang. I like this chicken and the pork, the jackfruit. I like the sausage too. That was delicious. This chicken tastes like tricks to me. And then I realized it's the orange. It has like the same sweetness that Trix has with the orange flavor. That was a hit for me. I was also surprised to taste coconut. This is so good. And then with the honey and the butter, yum. Also a hit.
Here, let me do the other side.
I never thought I would be so happy to be outside. It was so cold inside the monorail. Okay, next went to Ohana. Had a fabulous dinner. Some surprises. Some surprise hits and misses. I can't believe it. Look at the scenery. Contemporary and the monorail. You can't get any more perfect than that. Welcome aboard the boat to Wilderness Lodge. All aboard is coming aboard.
Now relax and enjoy your cruise, and we'll have you at your port of call.
We just got off the boat, now we're going back on a boat to Disney Springs. There is the window. There's the sign, we're going the right way. about